everybody, and welcome again to my YouTube channel May Fine Art. And today guys, I will make a vlog about our family experience going to Efteling. And Efteling is a theme park, amusement park in Netherlands, and we spent here for around 1 day together with my family and my parents-in-laws. And I would like to share to you guys our experience in Efteling. And this video happened last April, and this is also a celebration for the birthday of my son. So we really have a very nice experience. So if you plan your day at Efteling, guys, you need to reserve your visit. So to visit Efteling, you need a valid entrance ticket and a reservation. You can currently make reservations until January 8, 2023. And the season ticket holders and overnight guests do not need a reservation. So you can always check their website at efteling.com/Nederlands/park/reserveerbezoek. So there is a separate parking ticket for around €12.50, and there is also a flexible ticket for 2022. And you can also have or receive a promotional code. So that is a very interesting to know in order to plan your visit to Efteling. So Efteling is considered as the world of wonders. Whether you're looking for exciting roller coasters, enchanting attractions, or spectacular park shows, there is something for everyone in Efteling. You have to discover the largest amusement park in the Netherlands, a unique park in the middle of the nature. In their website, guys, you can see the opening hours and crowd forecast. And don't forget to reserve your visit. So there are different attractions, and you need to consider which attractions are open in that time. And the opening hours and crowd forecast, they have a specific timeline, and you can check everything in their website. So some of the attractions of Efteling, guys, in order for you to experience enchanting moments for the little ones among us, the whole family, or real daredevils, everything is possible in our world full of wonders. You can view all attractions in their website, like the Adventure Island Archipelago, the rotating training boats, Play Forest Nest, Double Family Roller Coaster, Max and Moritz, the 4D movie adventure Fabula, the indoor family attraction, the Symbolics, and the wooden roller coaster, Joris and the Dragon, the dive roller coaster, the Baron 1898, the indoor attraction, the Dream Flight, the attraction in the Fairy Tale Forest, the water coaster, the Flying Dutchman, wild water course, the Piranha, steel roller coaster, Python, the indoor attraction, Carnival Festival, Carousel. So they have so much, guys, and personally saying 1 day is totally not enough to visit all of the attraction in this very nice theme park. So we enjoyed the moment, guys. And as you can see, most of the attractions we are going through is really for the kids. It's like for my two little kids. So we have so much fun, and also the kids have a lot of fun. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me about your experience if you already went to the Efteling attraction park. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I would greatly appreciate if you will watch it until the end. Okay, thanks.